Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, The Lone Soldier. I'm Ricardo. It's a new channel where we review some of the stuff we've been told over the years and in the past and seek to analyze from a different angle as to why our society is in the state it is today. Because you have to understand tactics, and what is the greatest tactic of the enemy? Fear. And when you control the masses through fear, you can literally get them to do anything you want. Come on people, it bad. At Jamaica we live. Look at the situation. The government, police, negative music, people are get kidnapped, badness, perpetual fear. It's all around us. How many times we hear stuff in the media, only for when certain time pass, we hear it back, and that's how it did go, and I know true, both locally and internationally. All of these things have an explanation of where it come from. And I just want you, my Jamaican people, and even worldwide, to just come take the time and join with me. And we'll go on that journey. And let me show you some things where I go on where if you never really look on it certain way, you kind of get the picture what is really happening around you. Because it really hurt me to see what I go on people. And most people don't even realize, they just keep sticking to the same thing over and over. Not realizing that if you don't try to pinpoint the angles, you will always end up in the crossfire. My name is Ricardo.